As you prepare to drift into the sacred realm of sleep, let this moment become a gentle bridge between your waking world and the landscapes of the subconscious. Tonight, we are inviting your dreams to speak, and remembering is part of the magic. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body begin to soften from the crown of your head, down through your shoulders, your arms and hands, your spine and hips, all the way down to your feet. Everything is softening now. Everything is safe. You are cradled by the night. Now bring your attention to your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. Visualize a soft, glowing indigo light pulsing gently like a star. This is your dream gate. Whisper softly in your mind, I am open to receiving my dreams. I am ready to remember. Let the words drift like feathers into your subconscious. I am ready to remember my dreams. I will remember my dreams. Imagine a beautiful journal resting on your bedside table. See it clearly, its cover, the pages, maybe even your favorite pen or pencil. Feel a sense of excitement, knowing that tomorrow it will hold your dream wisdom. Visualize yourself waking gently, reaching for it, and writing your dreams with ease and clarity. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, repeat one more time. I will remember my dreams. Let it echo softly like a lullaby for your soul. With each breath, you are drifting closer to sleep. Trust that your dreams are preparing to arrive with messages, insights, symbols, and stories just for you. Let yourself be the witness, the dreamer, the rememberer. Sleep well, beloved. Your dream realm awaits, and you will remember.